So you guys are definitely going to enjoy this video today because this is going to be my first attempt finger coiling my natural hair. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty long and pretty thick, so this video I'm making it as short as possible, but Lord knows it took forever to get this hairstyle done.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm phone and somebody should have told her
It's freshly washed hair. I didn't put anything in it besides leave-in conditioner, and then I used my Eco Styler gel to finger coil. With this hairstyle, you definitely want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled, because when you're going through section by section, it's not easy to just separate the sections and start finger coiling. So the method I did with this finger coil is I hold down the roots of my hair after twisting it and then use my finger to finger coil the rest of my hair. But you have to be very careful while moving your hair down, because what's going to happen is you're going to pull out a lot of your hair once you're doing the tight coils. Some strands get hooked onto your finger, and once you pull it out, the strands just automatically pull out. So I will show you guys how much hair came out towards the end. So once the back is finished, I got like probably 25 to 30 coils to the back of my hair. But the front of my hair, its texture is a little different. The curls are very loose at the front of my hair. So I wish I actually used like a hair clip. I'll insert the hair clip right now so that way you guys see what hair clip I'm talking about, to actually pin down the roots, because the roots just kept coming loose. To the back I held it down and it was fine, but for some reason the front of it, because my curl pattern I think is a little bit looser, the whole hair, the whole coil itself was becoming loose. So that was very frustrating. So if you guys have a much softer texture hair, like probably like 4A 3C texture to the front of your hair, I definitely recommend to use a hair clip to just hold down the roots. If you guys look closely at my fingers, you guys will see there's strands of hair around it, and that's how much hair I pulled out while doing the finger coiling. It's ridiculous. But as you guys can see, the top of my hair is still loose. I didn't pin it down while I slept at night, and you guys can definitely see there's a whole bunch of shrinkage. The shrinkage was a pain because first of all, it wasn't only shrunk, it was like twisted to the side. So when you open the coil itself, like the hair was twisted. I don't know how to describe it, like, but you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, it was bent I don't know, man, it's just really annoying. So you guys definitely want to make sure and clip down your hair when you're sleeping, because it's just going to keep that pattern, because it's wet. So when it's drying, it's going to keep the exact pattern you were sleeping on. So definitely use clips to hold it down. The only thing that I hated about this hairstyle, because of the way I slept, my hair was really uneven and it was just all over the place. So I had to use a pick to really manipulate the shape of the coils and just keep going over and over it until I get it as big as I wanted to. But besides that, the definition was definitely there. I just love how the coils itself looked. It took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to actually get this look done. And if you guys want to wear this for more than a week, just know that your hair is gonna get tangled and matted, so just be careful. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and join the family. And I'll see you guys in my other video.